A deadline entered into a spreadsheet is not necessarily a deadline that has been independently verified. This workbook tracks both the date and whether someone has confirmed that it is correct. The Docket and Events Log is used to record court events, filing dates, hearings, conferences, internal reminders, and other date-related activity. Each event receives its own Docket Event ID. The user then selects the appropriate Matter ID. Click a Matter ID dropdown or select an existing Matter ID. Point to the populated description. After the Matter ID is selected, the related client and matter description populate automatically from the client and matter directory. This helps connect the event to the correct matter and reduces the need to retype the client and matter name on every row. The event record can include the event type, description, source of the date, due or event date, responsible person, priority, verification status, and event status. For example, a fictional filing deadline can be recorded with its due date, assigned attorney or staff member, and an indication of whether the date was independently verified. The workbook then calculates organizational indicators such as the number of days remaining and whether an active event appears due soon or overdue. Again, the workbook is not determining the legal deadline. It is tracking a date that the attorney or law firm has already determined and verified. That distinction is essential when using any legal docket control system. Watch the complete walkthrough to see how docket events connect with matters, tasks, communications, documents, discovery, and dashboard alerts.